Hey, Steve Muller here with Vantage Realty Professionals, and I want to answer a very frequently asked question that we have recently. So, one of the questions we have is, can I still sell my home during the COVID era? The answer to that is yes. In fact, the market has actually been doing very well here in Charlotte. But the secondary question behind that actually is, okay, well, if I can sell it, how do I do that and keep my family safe? So, what we've done is we bought a lot of hardware, and we've actually started doing a lot of virtual tours, virtual showings, things like that. So what we're trying to do is limit the amount of physical showings that people have. We want to make sure that they have all the information prior to actually coming into our clients' houses. So that's how we're both keeping our people safe and how we are helping people sell homes. Oh yeah, and by the way, we also do professional photography as well, and make sure that your home is all over the internet so people can check it out. If you have any further questions, give us a call or shoot us a message, and we'd love to help you sell a home. Thanks so much.